Fix in 5. Let's decode P0435. Catalyst temperature sensor circuit malfunction, bank 1. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, reduced engine performance, increased emissions, possible catalyst degradation, rough idle. Now the most likely causes. Faulty or degraded catalyst temperature sensor. Open or shorted sensor circuit wiring. Poor electrical connection at sensor connector. Damaged wiring harness. Catalyst converter failure or degradation. How to fix it. Clean or repair catalyst temperature sensor connector and wiring. Replace catalyst temperature sensor. Repair damaged wiring or connector in sensor circuit. Replace catalytic converter if damaged or clogged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €35.95 doing it yourself or €155, $215 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0435? The cost to fix P0435 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0435. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe. New fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.